A touchless car wash machine offers a safe, efficient, and high-quality cleaning solution for modern vehicles, combining advanced technology with customer convenience. Touchless car washing machine advantages: paint protection. No brushes or abrasive materials mean no scratches or swirl marks. Time efficient. Washes a car in minutes, ideal for high-traffic locations. Versatile cleaning, effective on all vehicle types including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Eco-friendly options. Water-saving technology and biodegradable detergents reduce environmental impact. Reduced labor costs. Fully automated, requiring minimal staff supervision. Consistent results. Delivers a uniform clean every time, unlike manual washing. Enhanced customer appeal. Attracts car owners who prefer scratch-free wash. Ideal for car wash businesses, gas stations, dealerships, auto centers, fleet cleaning services, municipal commercial vehicle cleaning.